Imagine cruising down a scenic mountain road, the sun setting in the distance, casting a golden hue on everything around you. You're behind the wheel of a car that not only promises adventure, but delivers it with style and efficiency. Welcome to the world of the Hyundai Tucson, a perfect blend of sophistication, technology, and performance. In today's review, we dive deep into what makes the Tucson a standout choice in the competitive world of compact SUVs. Buckle up and join us on this exciting journey. The Hyundai Tucson boasts a striking design that catches the eye from every angle. Its bold, cascading grille, sharp LED headlights, and chiseled body lines give it a dynamic and modern look. The sleek roofline and sculpted sides contribute to its aerodynamic profile, making it both aesthetically pleasing and efficient on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and luxurious cabin. The Tucson offers premium materials and a well-thought-out layout that emphasizes comfort and convenience. Key highlights include looking at seating in Space Plush. Ergonomically designed seats provide excellent support for long journeys, while generous legroom and headroom ensure a comfortable experience for all passengers. Infotainment system. The intuitive 10.25-inch touchscreen display integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to stay connected and entertained on the go. Advanced climate control. Dual-zone automatic climate control keeps the cabin environment perfect, regardless of the weather outside. Under the hood, the Tucson offers a choice of efficient engines. Whether you opt for the fuel-efficient hybrid model or the more powerful turbocharged variant, you're in for a smooth and responsive ride. Key performance features include engine options. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower, while the hybrid version combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 226 horsepower. Transmission. An 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. Handling. The Tucson's precise steering and well-tuned suspension system provide a balanced and confident driving experience. Whether navigating city streets or winding country roads, Hyundai has equipped the Tucson with an impressive array of safety features and driver assistance technologies. These include Hyundai Smart Sense, a suite of advanced safety features, including forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and blind spot collision warning, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Adaptive cruise control. This feature adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, making highway driving more relaxed and enjoyable. Surround view monitor. 4 cameras provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. The Tucson is designed to accommodate a variety of lifestyles. Its flexible cargo space and thoughtful storage solutions make it a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. Cargo space. With up to 38.7 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats and a maximum of 74.8 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, the Tucson is ready for any load. Smart Power Tailgate. This feature allows hands-free access to the cargo area, perfect for when your hands are full. The Hyundai Tucson stands out as a well-rounded compact SUV, offering a compelling mix of style, comfort, performance, and advanced technology. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring off the beaten path, the Tucson is equipped to handle it all with grace and confidence. So why wait? Visit your nearest Hyundai dealership today and experience the Tucson for yourself. The 2024 Tucson is very rich in terms of technological equipment. Wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, Bose premium sound system, and multiple connectivity features take the technology experience in the vehicle to the next level. In addition, BlueLink offers features such as connectivity services, remote vehicle control, and emergency assistance. Leather seats are very easy to maintain. The leather is naturally stain-resistant and easy to clean. With regular maintenance, leather seats remain as good as new for many years. In addition, the leather material prevents the accumulation of dust and allergens, providing a healthier indoor environment. Tucson's seat leather is resistant to UV rays and does not fade when exposed to sunlight. The rear seats are just as comfortable as the front seats and offer a spacious seating area. The leather-wrapped rear seats provide comfort even on long journeys. The wide legroom and backrest angle adjustments offered in the rear seats make it possible for passengers to have a more comfortable journey. In addition, the heating function of the rear seats provides extra comfort in winter. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson's seat leather and interior materials significantly improve the overall quality and comfort of the vehicle. High-quality leather, ergonomic design, and a wide selection of materials and colors make the Tucson a luxurious and comfortable SUV. Considering its durability and easy maintenance features, the interior of the Tucson is designed to delight users for many years to come. Don't forget to share with us what you think about Tucson in the comments. If you like this video, you can support us by pressing the like button and subscribing to our channel. New reviews and DA.